Hey folks, today is September the 21st. It's currently 9:37 in the afternoon. We're going to go ahead and do our hypergrowthfx weekly update review. And we have quite a few things to cover this week. I plan on also going over the updates in the back office as well. I figure I might as well add those into the weekly updates here. All right, let's go ahead and take a look and see what happened this week. Today, first day of this week was the 17th, I think. Correct. All right, so we got started here. As you guys can see, lots of small losses, small wins. But overall, just lots of small little losses. And unfortunately, those GBP USD trades we had last week ended up closing out for losses as well. You can see here 107.15 and 79.56. We held those trades. I was watching them. I thought the market was going to start pushing in our direction, but it just never happened. Obviously, we can't predict what the market's going to do, so it is what it is. Sometimes the trades don't turn out the way we like them to. Let's go ahead and see what the vendor had to say. We did get an email. All right, let's see. He said, "Good day, family. We have committed to you that we will load 1 and 2 video roundups per month in our quest to not only be profitable, but to also be the most transparent and accountable system in the financial space. Late last week and earlier this week, we loaded a series of trainings to aid you in understanding drawdown." All right, let's go ahead and take a look at that. I want to show you guys where that is here in your back office, because it's very important that we watch these videos. And we'll also go over what they plan on doing going into next week. All right, so once you get into your back office, you're going to want to simply go over here to Forex Basics and then click on Understanding Drawdown. And you'll see that it'll take you basically to this page here. All right, let's see what else he says here. All right, there's no way we will get you to FX Millionaire land without having drawdowns. Further, I believe if you do not understand and embrace the volatility of the Forex and the subsequent intra and inter-trade drawdowns, we'll see that you'll never become an FX millionaire. I wish we could calmly get you to FX millionaire land, but if that were the case, everyone would already be millionaires. So here's what I want to commit. Here's what I want you to commit to doing over the next few days. Go into your back office, go under Forex Basics, then Understanding Drawdown, which is what I just showed you. We can see the numbers of folks that have watched the videos, while a good number of you have. And he keeps talking about that. So basically, one of the first things we need to do is come in here, watch these videos so that so we can make sure everybody understands drawdown. As you can see here, it is, I believe, 5 videos. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so it's just 4 videos. So definitely want to come back here, watch these videos, read what they had to say here. All right, let's see here. Number 2, we have loaded up new roundup video. However, without the foundation of the Understanding Drawdowns video, you will not fully understand this week's video roundup. All right, so the video roundups. To get to the video roundups, go to Video Updates. That is right here. And here it is, September 2018 updates. And scroll down. That was the first week, and where is it at? Okay, Friday, September 21st, video roundup. One of the key components of our system is consistent communication with our audience. Please make sure you have watched the drawdown training under Forex Basics and then Understanding Drawdowns. In today's roundup, we discussed the inter-trade drawdown that we experienced this week. Remember, everyone comes into the account at different times, so everyone's profit losses will be different depending on when their account started trading. This training is specifically for anyone that held one or more of the GBP USD positions, and that basically includes me because I was in those GBP USD trades, as you guys just saw. All right. Remember this, our target of returning 12% net per month includes any intraday drawdown. Enjoy your training and see the comments after the video. Okay. So lots of information, like I said, to take in. Make sure you guys come into the back office, watch the drawdown videos, and then come down here and watch the weekly wrap-up. Let's see here. It's important to know that this trader has had a stellar track record. Prior to September, each of the last 7 months, he has returned in excess of 50%. We had not seen a drawdown to this degree previously. Even after this drawdown, he is up a whopping 2,000%. if one had compounded their returns. Even though this trader has had an impeccable track record, the drawdown on the GBP USD trades exceeded his historical drawdown percentage. As a result, we will have him adjust the risk reward parameters to account for a higher drawdown that we just experienced. Okay, anytime we reduce the risk, we also reduce the potential reward. But remember, we don't need to average 50% a month to get you to FX millionaire land. All right, we are in a family of trades in the Canadian dollar versus yen. All right. See if there's anything else pertinent I want to touch on. All right. See. However, since we had an intra-trade drawdown this week, we'll have the traders do two things. So this is going into next week, I believe. Take lighter positions until the CAD Japanese yen trade family is closed, and limit the number of open positions on any one currency pair. This way, if the market goes against us, it would limit any potential drawdown. All right, so lots of information here in the back office. Make sure you guys check that out. You can also check your email, or basically the email you signed up with. You should have all of this information as well. All right, I think that's everything I wanted to touch on. Let me double check here. Try to keep these videos under 5 minutes since they're just wrap-ups. But yeah, definitely a rough week in the trading. These GBP USD trades, it really hurt my account. But for the people that got in earlier, this basically just puts you back to where you were before the GBP USD trades were taken. So we'll see what happens here. And this is one of the main reasons why he stipulates you should only be using risk capital. The reason I'm not worried about only having $270 still in this account is because it is risk capital. So yeah, that's definitely something to keep in mind. We'll let this continue to play out. Obviously, this is not the best start. We had a great start last week, and right now we had some losses. So it is what it is. Like he said before, we're not going to get too high when we get winners. We're not going to get too low when we get losers. We're just going to let the system continue to play out and continue to watch the data. And after 2 or 3 months, hopefully we'll have enough data to decide whether or not this system is a thumbs up or a thumbs down. That's just the way it is. All right, folks, if you guys have any questions on this particular system, definitely send them my way, and I'll try to get those questions answered. You can also click the link below to get more information on hypergrowthfx. All right, folks, take care, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. Next update will be on September the 28th. Hopefully next week we'll see us rebound from this week's losses. Take care, folks.